Hello everyone, today I'm doing another quick and easy card, and this time I'm going to be doing a thank you card using two stencils that are not brand new but I have not really used yet. The first one is using this label me pretty, and this one coordinates with the punch, with the pretty label punch, which is this one. So I just got that one, and so I figured let's just use that one. And I've seen a lot of samples doing the thank you cards with those, so I really wanted to do some thank you notes, and this is the one that I'm going to be using. The other one that I am using is these falling flowers, which has a coordinating framelits. However, I'm only going to be using this image. So let's just get it started. Also, the reason I'm using those two is because we are still under the celebration period. So it is January 3rd through the end of March, and so for every $50 that you spend, you get one item for free out of this catalog, except for the last two items, where those are free when you purchase $100. Now the cool thing about this promotion is that there's no limits. So if you get $100, you could either get those two items, one of those items, or you can get two out of these other products. And there are a lot of items, and of course this is my favorite. You have seen me using it in several of my cards already. So anyway, so when you purchase the bundle of these two plus this stencil, you're pretty much at the $50 level, and so you can get one item for free out of the celebration catalog. So anyhow, this is really quick and easy. This one is 5.5 by 8.5, which I'm going to be folding in half. Let me just do this real quick. And I have already the Whisper White, which is 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to be using Bermuda Bay. So let's just ink that one. I bought this one last year, but quite honestly, I never got the time to use it, so I'm excited I'm using it today. So let's just see. Let's just go ahead and put it here. Alright. Okay, beautiful. And then I'm going to be using the same color here. Oh, this one, by the way. Alright. I don't think I had good coverage, or maybe I didn't press good enough. Alright, much better. And I'm gonna punch it out with this. Alright. So there we go. Then I'm going to be using these on another scrap of Whisper White. I'm going to be using this area. And I'm going to be using my, I think it's, this one is 1.5. And so, and you know what, this one is too big, so let's just do this again with the 1 1/4. I'm going to try now 1 3/8, sorry, because I thought that was too big, too large. Let me do the same. So this one is 1 3/8. I think this might be better. Yes, I think I like it better, this one. Okay. And let's just start putting everything. I'm gonna be, like I said, this one is a really quick, like if you have thank you notes to do, this will be just perfect because you can do it in any color. And it's really simple, yet I think it's gonna look gorgeous. Because I'm gonna be putting it like so. And oh. I'm going to be covering here, and then I'm going to be putting a dimensional right here, actually 2 dimensionals. You know me by now, I always put a lot of dimensionals on my projects. Okay, and I think it needs something, so I'm going to add one of these. This is the brand new white organza ribbon, and I'm debating whether I want it in silver or white. I think white will be nicer, and I'll probably put it here. I think so. Where are my scissors? Here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna cut the ends, and I usually do my bows out of the bolt so that I can save you know what, so that I can save on what is this, on the ribbon, so I'm not wasting. And you know what, I'm trying to look now for my glue dots. Okay, I got them here. I was like, where are the glue dots now? Alright, and I'm going to be putting it, you know what, I'm going to be putting it right here so that you still see that. I probably will cut still a little bit more here and a little bit here so that nothing gets out of there. Now, I'm thinking that I want to put a little rhinestone here, so let me just get here my, here we go. I'm gonna put it in here and here. I think it would be nice if it has a little bit of rhinestones, so put one there and one here. This one, okay, maybe I'll put a little one here. Alright, and so, oh, I have this ones here. So, this is it for today. You can see it's really quick and easy. And like I said, this is the ones that I'm going to be sending to my customers during this month. And like I said, you can change the colors. I've seen people doing this with the berry burst, and it looks really nice. And I've also seen them with powder pink, and it also looks pretty cool. So like I said, you can change to any color that you want. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to be having all the details for the products that I use on my blog at www.creatingwithali.com. And so feel free to go there. I have lots of inspirations, and I'll try to post regularly. So thank you so much, and if you have any questions, please leave me a comment here. I always respond to all my comments. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you soon.